I'm going to talk through the virtual tours. This is our website, momentumvirtualtours.com. You can check out our case studies and portfolio. If you go here, you can check out our portfolio for residential real estate. Oops, wrong one. We have a lot of different showcasings here, different case studies and portfolios. But let me walk you through the virtual tours and how they work. If you scroll down here, you can see One Hotel and Homes. This is a property that we did in South Beach. I'll use this for the example. We come in with the camera and put it in all these different rooms. We connect it to Wi-Fi, and then you can see the broker's information here, and she can use this and put this virtual tour on her website and social media, emails. She can text it to clients. There's a link out to the property. There's a link out to the MLS, and people can contact her directly from the virtual tour. I'll full screen this. Once inside the virtual tour, you can go through and look at this in many ways. You can play it as a video, or it's going to go through and play this out. People can wear a headset and do it as virtual reality. They can also go to this dollhouse view right here, where they can scroll around and look through the property, click into different rooms like the kitchen over here. If we go back out, they can go up into one of the bedrooms and scroll around. You can also look at a floor plan, and you can download floor plans for a little bit extra. And you can go through the floor scale and jump around like this. And you can also measure things too and see the size of the room. If we go back into the listing, let's just walk through the tour. So we'll go through exploring the 3D space. These things are called Mattertags. This is a link, and you can pull up a Mattertag and just show still photography. You can go through to different Mattertags. Let me go to a different floor here. Let's go to the first floor. Let's go down in the kitchen. Oops. All right. Okay, I'm still on the second floor. We can go up and downstairs. We can go down into the living room. Here's another Mattertag. This is where you want to showcase the property. You can explain what the room is. You can talk about the room in detail. You can embed a YouTube video like this. We can go down through the kitchen area here. Oops. Let's go into the kitchen. Check out another Mattertag talking about One Hotel and Homes, talking about the listing. We could talk about the amenities and the features. Custom kitchen designed by It's All Craft. It's pretty amazing, and people can do this on their smartphone, tablet, or computer. It's beautiful. It's 4K HD, and you can also pull still photographs from this listing. If we scroll down, we can see some other listings here. Here's one in Huntington Valley, and we can go into this listing, check out different tags here as well. So the entire process to shoot it takes 1 to 2 hours depending on how big the property is. Then it takes a few hours to edit and upload it. All you have to do is tell us exactly what you want to tag within the virtual tour. So what amenities, what features, what benefits, what you want to link out to. We do all these links for you. We customize the tour for you, and we can also take still photographs from this. In terms of promotion and marketing, you can have this branded, like Lavinia Smirnikosh, who you might know, Smirkanish, I always forget how to say her name. You can put your information here, so that way they can contact you directly. If you go into the Matterport backend, I'm going to go to my Matterport. Let's say we go to this listing right here, 1709 Mount Vernon. You can get all the details and statistics. We just shot this one yesterday, but the details about the property. You can put the address. You can put the listing of the MLS descriptions. One second. So this is where we actually customize it. So we can go through here, we can take photos, we can do videos from it. And then if you go to apps right here, this is where we can publish it to Google. We can publish it to Realtor Homes, VRBO, HomeAway. And it does have MLS features to it, so you can publish it through the MLS to these partners. And you can just use a branded link, which will have your information, MLS link, VR link. So all these are different links. You would put this and put it in the MLS. And then to market it, you could just put it on your website just like we did. You can put the link in emails. You can text the link. For example, we could take this link right here, copy it, and I could literally text you the link just like that, and you could do that to your clients as well. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or anything I can follow up with. Thanks. Bye.